Hello, join us in celebrating the BachFlowerRemedies, established by Dr. Edward Bach in England in 1928, nearly 100 years ago. Dr. Bach believed that emotional balance and happiness with who we are lead to health, healing, and wellness. Today's featured remedy is Beech. Here's an example of someone whose emotional balance can be restored with Beech. Beth has a tendency to criticize and condemn others. She often complains about what they do wrong and can go on and on about how irritating they are or what bad decisions they made. Unfortunately, Beth never seems to be able to make allowances or look for the good in others. How does Beech help? Beech will assist you in cultivating tolerance and compassion towards others, despite their imperfections and shortcomings. Self-assess your present emotional state with the recommended remedy for it, with the free online Bach Flower Questionnaire available at bachflower.com and directlyfromnature.com. Thank you for your visit. Please like and subscribe.